Hello partner, Mink is back again with new topic. Let's understand how to fill an attribute sheet. Please note following points while filling the sheet. Please download a fresh sheet for all new lots. Do not use old already downloaded attribute sheet. Any kind of tampering is not allowed in this attribute sheet. All yellow highlighted columns should be filled except GTIN column. GTIN column is optional. Non-yellow highlighted columns are not mandatory. All the columns should be filled by using available drop-downs. If values will not match with drop-downs, system will not accept the sheet for uploading. Sheet name and article type column should be the same. All the attribute sheet columns are divided into 4 major parts. Business attributes. Information required for style creation in the system, compliance and order tracking. These can also be called as global attributes, as these columns will be same in all article types for all kind of products. Discoverability. Product information required for correct cataloging and discoverability. Sizing columns. These columns are to provide measurements for that particular article type. Imagery columns. Please keep these columns empty. We have a different feature to upload images directly on partner portal. Now, moving on. Let's fill the global attributes in the sheet. But hey, you can also refer our instruction sheet present in each sheet for the same. Column A should be empty. Column B, grouping should be numeric and unique for each style. Column C is a mandatory column. Please fill SKU code in this column. Column D should be vendor article number. Column E should be product name. Column F, brand name should be filled by using available drop-down. Column G and H should have full address with company name, PIN code, city name. Column I should be filled only if the country of the origin is not India, and column G will be that particular country's address in this case. Column J, country of origin should be filled by using available drop-downs. Article type. Product type should be filled by using available drop-downs. Brand size. As per brand, product size should be filled. Standard size. As per Myntra's requirement, product size should be filled by using available drop-downs. Brand color. Product color should be filled. You can mention exact product shade name. GTIN should be a numeric 12 to 13 digit EAN or barcode number. If not available, this column can be empty. HSN should be 8 digit. It's required for GST purpose. Should have product maximum retail price. Age group. For which age group this product is for should be filled by using available drop-downs. Prominent color. Product color should be filled by using available drop-downs. Fashion type. Please select the values from drop-down. Year and season should be filled as per collection year and season. If products are not seasonal basis, please select any value. Product detail is a free text column to provide extra details of a product. Style note. It's also a free text column. Styling tips can be provided in this column. Material care. Material care instructions should be provided. If product is made of some composition percentage should be mentioned. Size and fit description column. In this column, measurement of product should be provided along with unit centimeter or inch. For apparel, this column can be empty, except one size sari. If sustainable column is filled as sustainable, hence we would need an authentication certificate for the same, or else please select regular. For these columns, you will find specific attribute columns. Please all of them filled by using available drop-downs. Please note, for sizing requirements there will be different videos. For uploading images also there will be a different video. Attaching a filled sheet for reference for apparel and product. So, stay tuned for next videos. Till then, bye bye, see you soon and thank you.